In this video, I will review Rork AI, an innovative platform that allows you to build mobile applications through simple chat interactions. When comparing Rork to traditional coding, the standout contrast is speed and accessibility. You can literally describe the app you want to build and watch as the AI handles the heavy lifting. One of the biggest trade-offs in mobile development is often performance. But Rork claims to build native games with real physics and multiplayer support that run at 60 frames per second. For those looking to bridge existing work, it offers features like Lovable to Mobile App and GitHub to Mobile App integrations. It even leverages powerful models like Claude Fable 5 to handle complex 3D world generation. Whether you want to create a multiplayer game or a functional utility app for iPhone, the interface is designed to help you go from a conversation to shipping a product that can actually make money. Looking at the broader market of vibe coding tools, Rork distinguishes itself as a specialized app builder for aspiring founders. While other platforms might focus on general web development, Rork is heavily optimized for iOS and instant App Store deployment. A major contrast found in this comparison is the seamless file management. You can upload assets up to 10 megabytes for free, or upgrade to a massive 5 gigabyte limit for larger projects. This makes it an ideal use case for developers who have a vision but lack the deep technical stack to execute a native build. The platform even highlights success stories, like an 18-year-old making $30,000 a month using these AI tools. It really wins for the solo entrepreneur who needs a professional-grade iOS app without hiring a full development team. Thanks for watching my review. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what kind of app you would build with AI.